this is a small tour of Fort St. George, which is commonly called as Fort Museum in Chennai. This museum is at a distance of around 3 kilometers from Chennai Central. Just a small part of the fort complex is converted to museum. Remaining part is functioning as secretariat and other government offices of the government of Tamil Nadu. When we went here, we went in local train and got down at Chennai Fort railway station. But that way is closed for general public to go. Around this area there is high security. So we had to walk quite a lot to reach here. So it's better to come via this way. For getting inside this fort, we also had to stand in the queue. This queue is for people to go to secretariat, but this is the same queue we have to follow. If you are carrying heavy bags, they won't allow inside. I went with my friend. I had to wait outside with the bags till she came back, and then I went inside. So when you go here, don't carry too much of luggage. For entering into the museum, you have to produce your ID card compulsorily here. They will tell you to register your name in their register book. You have to enter your name in the register book provided by them. I think many people doesn't know there is a museum here. Even after reaching there, we were confused how to get inside the museum. We asked the police security there. Even they were giving us wrong information. But finally we could go inside. This fort is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. There is no offline ticket. You have to take online ticket compulsorily. We faced some problems as there was no proper signal inside the fort. This fort is a 3-floor building. If you are interested into history, this place will be interesting for you. You get to know more about how the city of Madras developed. This fort is established in 1644 and is one of India's oldest British-built monuments. There are 10 well-presented galleries and they have a display of military uniforms, collection of coins used at that time, and many more things. You can easily spend 1 hour if you are going through each and everything. I personally loved visiting here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are going to Chennai or if you are residing in Chennai, don't miss this place. To know more about the history of Madras. If this video was useful to you, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, do ask in the comment section. I'll meet you next week with another interesting video. Thank you for watching.